Hey girlies, welcome back to my channel. We are here with Outre's 5x5 Lace Closure Wig. Y'all know I be late. One of my subbies told me about this wig and I told her I was going to go ahead and order it. So here we are. I did have to go outside so I can show you guys what the wig looks like in natural sunlight. Y'all don't mind the background. Y'all know everything is dying. It's about to be winter. But this is the lace, okay? The knots are super duper small. It does come with baby hairs. She's given. I wish she was pre-plucked though, but that's neither here or there. This is the overall construction of the wig. As you guys can see, it does come with an elastic band, drawstrings at the nape, and some combs. Now this is her on my mannequin head, just straight out the box, but she looks so good. Look at her. And this is not human hair, by the way. It is synthetic. It is giving us a little shine. Y'all can see that outside, okay? So let's get into installing the wig. All right, so this is what the lace looks like on my head. Y'all see it's transparent, so we are gonna have to tint the lace, but the hairline is giving what it's supposed to give, okay? I was very impressed, but like I said, if they did go ahead and pluck it for us, it would have been a straight up 10 out of 10 in my book. So we're gonna go ahead and straighten up the middle part. It is thick. It has a lot of volume in the closure as well. So I just put a little bit of wax onto the hairline and we're just gonna hot comb it. My hot comb setting is always between 10 and 15 for the most part, especially when it comes down to my synthetic wigs. So I'm just gonna go ahead and hot comb that down. I like volume, but I don't like that much volume. So we're just gonna take some of that out. And when I hot comb the hairline, it really makes it eat. Like it really looks so freaking good once it's hot comb and everything is laid down. And I did push the baby hairs back into the hairline, but do y'all not seeing what I'm saying? She is giving. I'm just gonna go ahead and plug the unit just a little bit. This step is optional. I showed you guys what it looks like after I hot comb it, and it's not needed or necessary at all. So don't worry if you don't know how to plug. You don't have to. But I'm just gonna go ahead and, you know, do every other section and just thin it out just a little bit. I was going for a more relaxed look, so that's why I just wanted to, you know, thin it out. I'm just detangling the hair just to remove the hair strands that I plucked out. And I don't know why I tried to detangle it from the root down. Please make sure you always detangle your hair from the ends. But look how good this looks once I plucked it. Stop playing with me, okay? Okay. So off camera, I did go ahead and add some cream foundation to the lace. You know, the lace is transparent, so you do have to make it match your skin tone. It's like for cream foundation, I can make it work, but I just feel like for the lace that the synthetic units come with, you just need something a little bit stronger to bring out the, you know, the color of the lace. So I did have to go back on the outside of the lace and add some more cream foundation. Now you guys are seeing me cut off the lace. Please make sure you're cutting in a jagged edge. I felt like I should have went in a little bit more to do this because it kind of looked like it was just straight across my head, like a straight line across my forehead. So make it as raggedy, as sloppy as possible so it can look natural. And here I am applying a little bit more of that cream foundation. All right, so now we're using our Eben spray. I've been using this blue can because, like I said, we're trying to protect our edges and it's got vodka in it, so it's gonna help, you know, thicken my little edges up. So I'm just gonna spray this where the frontal begins, where the closure begins and ends. I usually secure down my closures in one setting because baby, it's super easy and super simple. So if you are a beginner, I feel like you can pull this wig off and not have any type of problem. So I'm using my blow dryer on a cool heating setting. We're just gonna allow that to dry down just a little bit, and we're gonna allow it to get tacky. Once it's tacky, we're just gonna lay that entire lace down. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and straighten out that closure and making sure it's flat. I don't want to pull it too tight because I don't want to create any ripples. So now I'm just taking the back of my comb and we're just going to reinforce that lace. We're going to make sure everything is really pressed into that product. And we're going to add a little bit more of my cool heating setting. Y'all, it's so refreshing for me to be installing synthetic wigs because I'm obsessed with them. I don't care what nobody says. Synthetic wigs are so easy and so quick to install. Like literally, they already come styled. All you're gonna do is install it and style to whatever style you gonna do that day, and it's done. It's so quick. And I recommend beginners to cop these units to learn how to install their units as well, instead of going out and buying a virgin hair unit, which you might destroy. Okay. But now I just added a little bit more of that even spray on top so it can melt a little bit more, and we're gonna add our elastic band and allow this to melt for a couple of minutes. All right, so now I'm just taking my wide tooth comb again, and we're just gonna run that comb right through the hair. Now I did get some snags and tags during this part. Be mindful, I said that I plucked the unit, so there is some dead hair waiting to come out. So I did get a little bit of shedding, but baby, look at this. Baby, stop playing with me. You cannot tell me this is synthetic. I know it's got a little shine going on, and I really don't dull down my units on camera because I want y'all to see what it looks like without me doing all that. And personally, I never dull down my units anyway. I just leave them as it is. So we're gonna go ahead and take off our melt band, and bam, this lace melted like no other. And like I said, when it comes down to melting your lace, your line of demarcation is not gonna fully dissipate. Okay, it's gonna still be there, it's gonna still be visible, but it is what it is. So I'm gonna put the little 2 bumps in the front of the wig because y'all know I like a little shape up there. So this is what it looks like. No baby hairs, nothing. I always want to do these so you guys can see if you don't like doing baby hairs and stuff like that. This was like I got out of a salon chair, and I'm just gonna go ahead and run my paddle brush through it as well. Look how beautiful these curls is. I'm obsessed with this unit. Stop playing with me. I'm just gonna put some baby hairs in it. If y'all thought I wasn't gonna do no baby hairs, y'all don't know me, okay? You don't know me. So I did go ahead and cut at an angle, and I'm just gonna go ahead and swoop my baby hairs. I just sprayed some got to be glue spray on my edge brush and swoop, and I swear to God, y'all, I swear that my baby hairs don't be going nowhere. Look at this. Y'all, it looked like I done hopped out somebody's salon chair. Somebody gave me a virgin hair unit. This is like a virgin hair dupe because nobody can tell me nothing. And this is the back of the wig because I know y'all want to see the back of the wig. Stop playing. Y'all not seeing what I'm saying? 8 down. Now, I did want to go ahead and give it a little style. You know, this step is optional. I don't know. I was just trying to do something. Now, I actually seen this picture off of Pinterest. I will link a picture up here where I got my inspiration. So yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and just braid this all the way down. I did speed it up because it's just a braid, and then I'm just gonna add a rubber band at the end to keep my braid in. So lastly, I'm just gonna go ahead and stretch out the braid and then add these little charms I got off of Amazon onto the hair. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below. Let me know if you're gonna cop this unit for yourself. I will have this unit listed in the description section below. And yeah, I'm gonna get this unit a 9.5 out of 10. She is eating, she's eating, I love it, and I'm gonna order again before I put this video up. So until my next video, your girl will see you later. Bye guys.